Are you seeing the Txtools Library DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. Before diving into the manual fix for Txtools Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Txtools Library, frequently associated with game modding tools like those for The Sims or Skyrim, to manage the conversion and localized compression of texture assets. If missing, the modding suite will report unsupported texture format, or will be unable to export DDS files, preventing the creation of custom game skins. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. The presence of Txtools.dll Library DLL is mandatory for Localized shell extension handler to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite, with the error, will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Txtools Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Be aware that manual fixes for SHLX-THDL Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If registry clutter or Txtools library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. If this fix repaired Txtools library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.